Hey guys, welcome back. Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. This one goes back to my roots. When I first started out working in restaurants, probably 30 years ago, maybe 28 years ago, something like that, I managed a Chinese restaurant in Los Angeles. So I was thinking, what can I cook that's going to be a little bit different today? Chicken wings. We do those a lot. We love the chicken wings. Let's jazz them up a little bit. Mongolian chicken wings. I got the Rectech Bullseye outside warming up. We're going to smoke these guys at 250 degrees. We have some pecan pellets in there. We're going to smoke these guys for probably about an hour until they get nice and crispy. To do that, what we do, it's real simple. Really simple. We're going to sprinkle some EVO on them. Then we'll put a little bit of salt. Not too much. And then some pepper. And these guys are ready for the grill. So we can actually just take these right out there right now, slap them on. But that would be too easy. So what we're going to do first is we're going to set these guys to the side and we're going to make our glaze. So our glaze is where it's at. One thing you learn about me, I'm not afraid to use a recipe. So in our glaze, what we've got is we have 1/4 cup of soy sauce. This is a 1/2 cup. I have a little bit more wings. So we're going to do the full 1/2 cup. Maybe if we can get there. So that's good. That's our soy. Now it's calling for the same in a 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. I had to find the tablespoon thing. I forget where I put it. There we go. So now 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. That smells just like vinegar. I don't know what the difference is. Now it's calling for a tablespoon of Sriracha. So I found this stuff. Street taco sauce, garlic Sriracha. I'm going to use it in here. I think it'll go well. And just because I want to kick it up a little, we'll throw an extra one in there. Now it's calling for 1/4 cup of honey. So we're just going to take this guy and put whatever's left in here. We'll just dump it all right in there. There it comes. That glob. That's gonna be good. May as well use it all up. There we go, we got it all out. So that guy's finished. Now we need fresh ginger. I had this, so I didn't pick up fresh. And it's only calling for a tablespoon of fresh ginger. I just eyeballed it. You don't want to put too much, you don't want to overpower the flavor. And then it's also calling for a tablespoon of garlic too. So we'll put that in there. And because our Sriracha had some garlic in it, I didn't go as heavy. I am going to put some black pepper and some salt. It's not in the recipe, but I'm doing it anyway. So now, we'll just mix this guy up. Oh, does that smell delicious? This will be great. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to make our life a lot easier. We're going to take our wings. Trick I learned with chicken wings. I'm going to put them on this grate. It'll make it a lot easier to get them on and off the grill. So I am spraying it down with some pan. The reason I'm doing that, it's a lot easier to clean the grate when we're done. Alright, so we're going to get these guys out onto the grill and let the grill do its thing. If you don't have a grill, you could easily do these in your oven. Who am I kidding? If you don't have a grill, go get one. Alright guys, so our grill warmed up. We're going to get these right on. See how much easier that was? You just slap it right down, right on your cookie grate there. We'll let this guy do its thing. We're going to let these smoke for probably about an hour. We'll come back and flip them over in about a half hour. Alright guys, so our wings are coming along nice. They actually look really good. So what we're going to do, we decided we're going to brush them with a little bit of our marinade. We're going to flip them over. They're looking spectacular. Went outside and I brought them in on our hot tray here. They're looking absolutely spectacular. They smell amazing. What we're going to do now, we're going to finish them off. We're going to take them off our tray. And then we're going to dress them up really nice. You could sprinkle some green onion on here, some scallions. But scallions are really not my thing. In fact, I don't allow them in my kitchen. So we're going to put some sesame seeds on them. Oh my gosh. These guys. Alright, I have to try one. You get a hint of that smoked flavor. You get a hint of the Sriracha. Boy, are these things delicious. Unbelievable. That's crazy, guys. These things are absolutely amazing. This is another one you have to try. If you like what you see, guys, please click that like button down below. Give me a thumbs up, would you? Subscribe to the channel. Check back next week to see what we're doing. Thanks, guys. I'm having another win. Wow. I may have another dozen.